We will see in this video how easy it is to set up our application. We start by typing the application title and we give it a description. It will be shown inside the app. Also, we give the administration dashboard and the restaurant dashboard a title. And then we choose a language and click on Next. We now must fill our Firebase informations and then we click on Next. In this area, we need to type in the address of our server. Please be aware it must start with HTTP and end with a slash. And we also need to choose a username and a password for our server. Please choose a secure password for your own server. And then we continue. Here we enter our Google Maps API key and our Stripe publishable key. If you don't know how to get those keys, you can see how to get them by clicking on the help icon. Now we click on Next. We must type in our Stripe API secret, our PayPal client ID, and our PayPal API secret. You can also see how to get those keys by clicking on the help icon. And then we continue. The last step is typing our email address and also choosing a password for the admin. Please choose a secure password for your own security. You can always update it or add as many admins as you wish. Now we finished the configuration. We just click on Generate. After it finishes loading, we click on Download and choose where to download the file. Let's open it. And now we just need to extract the zip file inside the folder downloaded from Envato. Let's click on Extract. And that's it. We successfully configured our application. Now we can execute it.